In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Slack member ID on desktop or web. This is handy if you're submitting a support request, configuring integrations, or documenting access for your team. A member ID is a unique identifier for a person in your Slack workspace, and it's different from their display name or email. We'll do this using the Slack desktop app or any web browser, and the process is the same in both places. First, open Slack and navigate to a conversation or a channel where the person you're looking for is present. This simply means you should be somewhere you can see their name, either in a direct message with them or in any channel where they've posted a message. If you're already in a direct message, you're in the right place. If you're in a channel, scroll to a message from that person so their name is visible. Next, click on the person's name. In a direct message, you'll find their name at the top of the conversation. In a channel, you can click their name directly from any of their messages. This opens their profile details in a panel, usually on the right side of the screen. You'll see things like their display name, job title if available, and other profile information. In that profile panel, look for the More Options icon. It appears as 3 vertical dots, typically in the upper right area of the profile panel. Click that icon to reveal a small menu of additional actions related to the user's profile. The wording may look slightly different depending on your Slack theme, but you're looking for the item that says Copy Member ID. Now select Copy Member ID from the drop-down menu. The user's member ID is instantly copied to your clipboard. There's no extra confirmation needed. From here, you can paste that ID wherever it's needed, such as a ticket, an internal document, or an integration settings page. If you're curious, a Slack member ID usually looks like a string of letters and numbers that starts with a U. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the person's name in your current view, jump into a conversation or channel where they've posted recently so you can access their profile. Also, while a member ID isn't the same as private data, treat it carefully and avoid sharing screenshots of IDs publicly. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable on both the desktop app and the web.